We've been looking to renovate our house for a number of years now. We've been in this house for almost 20 years, and we were noticing things were just not up to date. They were not as functional as we hoped them to be. As the kids were getting older, we found that they needed more space for themselves. So we came across Sosna by accident. They were renovating the house beside my brother's house. And when we had talked to them about their experience with Sosna, they were extremely happy. And when we saw their renovation, we were just so impressed with what Sosna had done with their house. From there, I had contacted the office and had set up a meeting with Andre. I really liked his really organized and disciplined approach to the whole project. He was, I think, very thoughtful in terms of the things that we can do, or things that we should look at doing a different way than we had thought of doing. From there, then we decided to move forward with the design process. We had then met with Olga, who was assigned our designer. She's a very, I would say, creative and talented designer. Really interesting ideas that we incorporated into the final design. There was a lot of good reception from the team in terms of things that we wanted to ensure would happen during the whole construction phase. Such a pleasure to work with everybody on the team. Everybody was super professional. Everybody was so helpful, so friendly. You know, always responsive to any questions that we had. It was just quite impressive how smooth the whole process was. We never in my life would have imagined that a renovation would be as smooth and seamless as it was. And when we, came back to our house, we just couldn't believe that this was our house. It was just amazing. Ease of living in our home now. Everything is very functional. There's a place for everything. Everything is flows a lot more better. So I really like to thank the Sosna team for all their hard work. They feel like they're like a family now, and we look forward to working with them again in the future. Thank you.